कौन कहबी कहर किसी भाषा भी नहीं मो पाखे मत लगुच एत दिन पर ते गोटे डायरेक्ट मिस करने पिलादिन कथा सब मन पड़े बहुत मन पड़े जिते तू सिक्स नुआ नुआ चश्मा पिंधिकी आसुलु स्कूल को जिला छुट्टी चश्मा पिंधुचे मुझे चश्मा पिंधि मन अच्छे स्कूल आम केमी बेंच तले मुंड पोतिकी आचार खाऊले जम्बुवती प्रधान मन अच्छे तोर जम्बुवती प्रधान नहीं आसला आंबुल मामू घर से आंबुल नहीं आसला तर से आंबुलर स्मेल पूरा क्लास रे पूरा आसला आम बेंच तले लुचे लुचे खाऊ रेणुका दीदी को धरी मन पड़े विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट एंड हैप्पी बर्थडे।
हाय सुधा विश यू वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे सब बड़े तू एमती हसुथु आम समस्त को नचौथु यू आर द स्टार ऑफ आवर ग्रुप सब बड़े स्कूल दिन कथा मन पड़े आम सब केमती मिसिकी रोते स्कूल में मजा करुले एवं किसी बेसी मेमोरी ना किंतु स्कूल डेज गुड़ा सब बड़े बहुत मिस करे जल्दी तू आस भुवनेश्वर आम सब ये मिसी बहुत मजा करवा हैव ए वंडरफुल डे।
तुम्हें अनन्या तुम्हें संपूर्णा तुम्हें अमृतर धारा तुम्हें अनन्या तुम्हें संपूर्णा तुम्हें अमृतर धारा सुनती आईना रे तुम्हें रजनीगंधा गो मुझे आकाशर तारा सुनती आईना रे तुम्हें रजनीगंधा गो मुझे आकाशर तारा अतुट बंधन आमर सुधा तुम्हें सुधा धारा अभिनंदन जे अभिनंदन जन्मदिनर अभिनंदन तुम चला पथ कुसुमित हेउ तुम चला पथ कुसुमित हेउ सब कंटा तक मो पाखरे थाउ सब कंटा तक मो पाखरे थाउ शीतल ज्योत्स्ना जे तुम्हें अमृत धारा अभिनंदन अभिनंदन जन्मदिनर अभिनंदन हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर सुधा।
हाय सुधा केमती अच्छु बर्थडे गर्ल आमको मने पकऊ कि ना तोर तो समय हो तोर मन अच्छे आम तुम घर को खेलिया जो छोट बेले तुम घर आगे गोटे लॉन थी लॉन रे खेलुलु खेल सरला बेले आम तोते कहू टे आचार टे देलु मौसी हाथ तैयारी आचार खाई आम घर को फेर एबे भाविले बहुत हस लगे तोर मन पड़े तू कौन भावुलु से हाउ तू ये दिन टाक भल भाव एंजॉय कर ऑल द बेस्ट हैप्पी बर्थडे।
Hi Sudha. It is hard to believe that we could resume our friendship after around 29 years. It was time when we used to hardly talk to each other. You used to be an outstanding student. But what catches me most about you is your honesty towards life and friendship. Keep continuing with that. Have a wonderful birthday. Bye.
हाय सुधा हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू जन्मदिन का बहुत बहुत बधाई जन्मदिनर बहुत शुभकामना टुडे इज नॉट जस्ट योर स्पेशल डे इट्स इज इवन आवर्स बिकॉज टुडे was the day when my best friend came into this world. Many happy returns of the day. Enjoy the day. Bye.
హాయ్ సుధా హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే నీకు గుర్తుందా వెంకీ అండ్ అనురాగ్ శివాని స్కూల్లో చదివేవాళ్ళు వీళ్ళు వెనస్డే స్పోర్ట్స్ యూనిఫామ్ వేసుకొని వెళ్ళేవాళ్ళు బ్లాక్ నిక్కర్ బ్లూ షర్ట్తో అనురాగ్ బ్లాక్ నిక్కర్ గ్రీన్ షర్ట్తో వెంకీ 10th స్టాండర్డ్లో నా అనురాగ్ ఇప్పుడు డాక్టర్ అయిపోయాడు ఎండీ చేశాడు వెంకీ కూడా ఎంబీఏ చేశాడు గ్రోత్ వాళ్ళలా కనిపించింది బట్ యూ స్టాప్ యువర్ ఏజ్ ఎట్ 30 స్టిల్ యువర్ చార్మింగ్ and those Shivani days were unforgettable. Yeah, really chala manchi we spent very good time. We had a very good time. So hope this time నేను వైజాగ్ వచ్చినప్పుడు డెఫినెట్లీ నేను కలవాలి మళ్ళీ మనం కలిసి గుర్తుందా బాంబే గ్యాస్ లైట్ స్టోర్ డౌన్లో ఒక చాట్ షాప్ ఉండేది అక్కడికి అప్పుడప్పుడు వీకెండ్స్ వెళ్ళి పిల్లలతో పాటు చాట్ తినేవాళ్ళం ఓకే బర్త్డే పార్టీ అంటే వల్లికి చాట్ ఇప్పించేస్తే అయిపోయింది అనుకోకు వి ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు హ్యావ్ ఎ బర్త్డే బ్యాష్ నాకు మంచి పార్టీ కావాలి ఓకేనా ఓకే వన్స్ అగైన్ హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే సంతూ మామ్ హ్యావ్ ఎ నైస్ డే
హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే శ్రీరామ్ మ్యామ్ Hi Sudha, many more happy returns of the day. God bless you. Have a nice day.
Hi Sudha, a very happy birthday to you. Hope you're enjoying your birthday with your family. I wish I was there to celebrate your birthday with you. I'm sure you're wearing that lovely bright smile that you always had. Wish you lots of good health and happiness on this special day. Enjoy!
Happy birthday to you. Many more happy returns of the day. Lots of love and wishes to see many more success of your children. Hi, once again, happy birthday to you. All the best. Have a good day.
Hi Sudha, many happy returns of the day. Stay blessed and happy.
హాయ్ సుధా, హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే. నీ పుట్టినరోజు శుభాకాంక్షలు. మరి నువ్వంటే నాకు చాలా ఇష్టం. మొన్న నువ్వు మీ ఇంటికి వచ్చినప్పుడు నువ్వు చాలా బాగా చూసుకున్నావు మమ్మల్ని అందరినీ. అది నేను మర్చిపోలేను. స్వామి బ్లెస్సింగ్స్. గాడ్ బ్లెస్ యూ.
Sudha, many returns of the day. Happy birthday to you. Sai bless you always. I have a lot of memories to share with you, Amma, since your childhood. It will take a lot of time, but I can tell you one thing, that you are one of those who is very close to my heart. God bless you, Amma, always. Sai bless.
Saram Sudha, wish you a very happy birthday. May all your dreams and wishes come true. Thanks to pandemic for giving me an opportunity to have some fun and play some puzzles with you and the rest of our family members. You're a very sweet and a kind person. I loved your enthusiasm towards everything. You have actually motivated me and cheered me up through the lockdown. Have a nice day. Sairam.
Sairam Sudha, many happy returns of the day. May Swami bless you with abundant happiness and good health. All the very best for years to come. Have a great day. Sairam.
Happy birthday, Siddhartha.
Happy birthday, Siddhartha.
Happy birthday, Sudha.
Happy birthday, Sudha.
Wish a great year ahead. Have a great time with Amma, Nana, and all kids around. Enjoy yourself and have a
Wonderful year
ahead. Take
Hope
care.
you come to Calcutta soon.
May Swami bless you loads.
Happy birthday again.
And happy birthday again. Take care, Sudha. Sayonara.
Happy birthday. Have a great year ahead. Have a special celebration, the Golden Jubilee year. So it calls for a real big celebration. Have a happy birthday and stay blessed. May Swami bless you, your family and everybody.
Happy
birthday.
Hey Sudha, very happy birthday. Have a great time today, Sudha. I am sure that Anurag and Mahima are putting together a interesting celebration for you. Sudha, you deserve every bit of that celebration in life. Dipti and I were very happy when you, Anurag and Mahima came over for Maitri's wedding. Having the kids over, having you over, participate so wholeheartedly in everything that happened those days, those 4 days, was absolutely magical for us. Sudha, I have seen you morph into a great mother. I've seen you morph into a fantastic professional, a very accomplished academic. Your book is something that I read with a great amount of interest. Very proud of what you've achieved, Sudha, and I'm very sure that as you continue to do what you love to do, you will continue to spread good cheer, smiles for all of us. On behalf of the entire family, Sudha, a very happy birthday again. Have a great day. Have a wonderful time. And you've got such lovely children, Sudha, that all of us are very proud of both of them. God bless you. Have a great time.
Hi Sudha, wish you a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Siddharth. Hi Sudha, many happy returns of the day. Have a wonderful day.
I hope you have a great day and whole year ahead and
by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something.
I hope you're doing great and then we'll talk soon. And I think you remember this chain which you have given me. I still have it. Every time I wear it, I remember your good Bye-bye.
Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Hello, Sudha Didi.
Happy birthday to you.
Wish you a very, very happy birthday from all of us. Yay!
All our good wishes and best wishes and blessings.
Many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to dear Sudha. Happy birthday to you.
And happy birthday for your borrow also.
Hi Sudha, a very happy birthday to you. You're such a lovely, strong and amazing friend. Okay, just keep rocking, enjoy your birthday and thanks for being cool neighbor. Okay, bye bye.
Hi Sudha. Many, 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 many happy returns of the day, Sudha.
Hello.
Hi.
Happy birthday, Sudha. Hi, and today is the 7th of October, 2020 AD. Happy birthday. And first we're going to sing a couple of quick lines from a couple of songs. And then we'll say something sweet about why we think you're special. Okay? So, Sanju, otherwise known as your nephew, Sanjay Arman Kumar II, will start off.
Alright. 1, 2, 3, come on! पूनन से फरिश्ते तुझसे ये कैसा नाता कैसे ये दिल के रिश्ते पूनन से फरिश्ते
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Finish last time.
Happy birthday dear Sudhanti.
Woo! And then one from the adults. Here we go. That was the children's version. Here's ours. बार बार दिन ये आई बार बार दिल ये गाए बार बार दिन ये आए बार बार दिल ये गाए तू जिए हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू Happy birthday to you Happy birthday to you Happy birthday dear Sudha Happy birthday to you Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Happy birthday, Sudhaka.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday,
Have a lovely day, just like you.
Now we're going to say something as was requested, something that we think is special about you. I'll go first. I have it all ready.
There is so
Sudha.
many things to talk about you, a lot of special things.
Yes. Sudha, for me, very sentimental. This was 18 years ago. You know, Radha and myself, we don't consider ourselves to have an arranged marriage.
Yeah.
You know, we don't really believe in that. However, there always has to be a middleman. You know, like a wonderful, special, unique matchmaker. That was you, Sudha. So because you are her cousin, we have two girls from, okay, this is the way my mom says it. Two brothers, daughters married, two brothers, sons. So that's how I met her through you, and I'm very grateful. Because of you, we have this wonderful family.
Thank you so much.
So that's my part.
Really, because of you, we are together
Yes,
today.
and thank you for letting my parents meet each other so then I can be born.
Exactly. You can see our family picture right back there.
Yeah.
Now, Radha, Kumari Devi, what do you have to say?
I think she's a very special sister for me always. I always enjoyed with her company since my childhood. I have so many memories to stay with her, but some moments are very, very special for me. And I think she's very cool, very affectionate sister.
Okay, how about you, Sanju?
She's a role model for me. Many things.
Yeah,
Yeah,
for all of
I
us
really admire
actually.
her
The
always.
whole family, you're like a leader.
Yeah, I really admire you a lot in many ways. And thank you so much for all your things you have done for us. And mostly many memories since my childhood. We used to have enjoyed together. A lot of get-togethers all of us had. And last visit to Vizag, it was really memorable.
Another
You're such a
thing
good
is that you're
fan.
very generous
Very
too.
generous.
Yes, very generous. You're very
And
nice.
Very nice. And I'm wearing the chain you gave me right now. This is one of my special, the best chains I like.
And you know, we're trying to keep a theme. I'm sure you know, Sudha, this is the shirt you gave me when I came to India.
Yeah.
The 2015-2016, I'm wearing it on purpose. Now, Sanju, your turn. What do you like about your aunt?
Yes, you're very nice aunt, and you're also really generous. And you're also a really good role model to us also. Yeah.
Yep, she's
she's
like
cool.
a mother figure to
She's
you
a
as
cool
well.
sister for me.
Well, so happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
We know a lot of other people are wishing you today, and you'll see them all. So, many happy returns for the year 2020.
Have
and
a great birthday.
on the 7th of
Enjoy.
October, have a happy birthday, Janamdan Mubarak ho, or Janamo Subhaka Kamana in Oriya. So, bye-bye, and
Bye, and God bless you always. Have a
great
great year.
prosperity.
Enjoy and
have
stay
a great
blessed
birthday.
always.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Bye. See you one of these days.
Bye.